Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that can we learn English language at older age, because most of the people have this question in their minds that what age is required to learn the English language, what age is best to learn the English language. So I think that you can learn English language at any age, no matter. Actually, when you start learning English language from beginning, it's okay that you will improve your English language after some years. But if you have not learned the English language, right now you are above 50 and you are willing to improve English language, you are willing to learn this language, you are inspired by someone. So I think that this is the right time. Start learning the language. You can learn English language, because in the beginning when children start learning English language, they don't have a lot of experience or other activities. So you have the experience of life. You have seen lot of things in life. Right now you are not worried about the wealth, and you can spare your time to learn English language. So you will concentrate on learning much than those who are learning from their small ages, because study has shown that older people can pick or can understand the things more easily than those who are the elders, because older people have the experience of life. As I told you, they can think and understand the sentences or the meaning of any word deeply, with because they have seen the practical things in their life. So I think this will help them a lot. Learning language is also a passion, because if you know your national language and you are willing to become bilingual, I think English is the best option for you if you are willing to improve this language, because some words we also use some words of English language in our national language. What is your national language? When you speak your national language, you often use English words in that your national language. So you are already informed, familiar with some of the English language words. And as you know that this is the international language, and you sometimes watch or seen some videos in English language, and you know its importance. As I have read in some of articles that there are the examples of some people, those are in old age, and those improved their English language because they are interested in only those people. Because one example, that your parents or grandparents did not learn the English language, because at that time they thought that their age is not suitable for learning the English language. So right now it is said that age does not matter for learning a new language. If you are willing to learn new language, don't bother about the age. Whatever age you may have, you can start learning English language. The other thing is that you must be healthy, and if you will keep your mind busy in learning some new things, this is also I think that healthy activity. This activity will improve your brain health. If you are willing to keep your brain healthy, then I think that you should keep your brain busy in learning some new things. When you will learn new things, your exercise of your brain will remain going on. In this way, you will keep your brain more healthy than others. And it is also seen in some of the studies that older brains are more active than those who are the new one, because they think in very precise way. As I told you, that they have the experience of whole previous life, and with the help of that experience they can learn the things very easily. Only the main thing is that their teacher should be very intelligent, and he should be able to teach the older people, the senior citizens, in proper way. If a senior citizen is in a classroom and is studying English language, then the whiteboard or blackboard or any kind of where the teacher writes should be clear, and teacher should write in big sentences, seeable. If the teacher writes very little sentences, then older people will face problem while seeing those words or sentences. So those words should be very clear to see. Another thing is that there should be the proper arrangements of lights, because older people may have some problems of eye weakness, sight weakness, and if there is a problem of light, they would not be able to see the written things in proper way. So there must be a proper arrangement of lights in the room where they are studying. Other thing is that teachers should speak aloud, because some older people may have the problem of listening. So when teacher would speak aloud, they can listen the teacher very easily. Otherwise they would face problems while understanding. So in some of countries there are senior citizens who are learning the new languages, improving themselves. So I think that age does not matter to learn new language. If you are interested to learn a new language and you are above 50 or you are 80, you can start learning English language. This is the time, start now. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button, and if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.